If you don't like feeling weak but still want to understand true power, then let's talk about lions. With their powerful builds and majestic manes, lions command the savanna like no other. These expert hunters work in prides, using teamwork to take down prey much larger than themselves. And that iconic roar, it can be heard up to 5 miles away, a bold reminder of their dominance. Whether basking under the sun or leading their pride, lions embody courage, unity, and the raw beauty of nature's fiercest predator. So next time you think of strength, think of lions, the ultimate symbol of power and leadership in the wild.